Well, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance neath the cover of October skies. You know the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow. You know I'm trying to please to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. You know the night's magic seem to whisper and hey. You know the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush.
One of the prettiest shots we've ever had. If you looked at the sky last night, you know the moon was sure putting on a show, a bright white circle surrounding it, which scientists call a lunar halo. The halo is caused by light bouncing off thin clouds or mist, and it sure is beautiful, but folklore says lunar halos mean bad weather is coming, since halos are often preceded by warm fronts, which are often associated with storms. We are looking at a nice day today, a mild temperatures out there, Scott, but that made for a beautiful sight, didn't it?
It certainly did.